We wanted this conference to be kind of impactful for the life science innovations in Europe. In terms that the idea was to gather together all most important experts from the innovations in life science sphere related, involved in the ecosystem of life science innovations in Europe, and have discussion about the future, key success factors and actions that we should all together take in order to succeed in this area.
I think life sciences is truly vibrant across Europe. I think health can change, I think healthcare can change, and we can really shift, thanks to the transformation in the life sciences sector, between a world that is today very much empirical to one that is driven by scientific evidence. And I think that's amazing.
Europe is a great place. Europe is truly a great place of freedom, of diversity, but recent reports are showing that we are not as good as we would like to be in terms of innovation. I do believe that we have to change that. I do believe that we do not have time to think about the different options. We have simply to start doing something. We have to start thinking about creating our own technologies, about becoming independent from other countries like US or China.
I think the key is for us to keep building collaborations between industry and academia. I represent a research infrastructure, and we provide data from publicly funded research projects to industry and academia so that they can use it, innovate on top of it, generate new knowledge, new understanding and new products.
I'm happy to be here and discuss a strategy for life science sector. It's crucial to have different stakeholders from the industry sector, scientists and political area. I represent Sant Committee, newly established committee in the European Parliament. We started with full legislative status since January this year, and I'm honored to chair this committee. And we are working on different strategies. We started with a beating cancer plan in 2021, and now we're trying to prepare new documents based on this experience from onco area, and we are planning to establish cardiovascular strategy, neurodegenerative disease, and also mental health, which is very important now.
What we would like to see is that life sciences, the products of life sciences, gets translated into medicines that reach patients, and we're involved in the medicines to reach patients side. So we want to make sure that the innovation that happens in the life science industry can translate into medicines that actually get to patients in Europe.
We meet here on this conference to discuss about the steps that are necessary to improve accessibility to the innovations in medicine in Poland and on the entire continent. So I think that we should remain optimistic and work together for the better future in the field of healthcare.
I was so impressed when I saw the amount of research, but also of companies and startups that there are here. Please keep going. Make sure you connect with the others around Europe and make sure that you don't lose your positivity and your energy. We will get there together.
What we have to make sure is that we are able to bring that to the market. This is the conversation that we find in almost every panel. So the future is going to be brighter if we are able to overcome some regulatory barriers, some financial barriers for sure, and we make sure that we have the location, the position that we as European ecosystems deserve in the geopolitical situation that is quite uncertain.
I have one message for you at the life sciences community. If you're dealing with medicines development, please come and talk to us at the European Medicines Agency. Please tell us what you're doing. Let us help you, let us understand, describe your challenges, and let's work on solving them together.